आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
One question is, if a vector and b vector are vectors in space given by a vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap divided by under root 5 and b vector is equal to 2I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap divided by under root 14, then find the value of 2a vector plus b vector dot a vector cross b vector cross a vector minus 2b vector is equal to. In this question, we have to given a vector and b vector. We have to solve. Here we have 2a vector plus b vector dot. We have here a vector cross b vector cross. Here we have a vector minus 2b vector. Now to solving this equation, we have to know vector triple product. The vector triple product method is equal to, here we have a vector cross b vector cross c vector. Now using here vector triple product method, this value is equal to a vector dot c vector dot b vector minus, here we have a vector dot b vector dot c vector. This is the vector triple product method. Here we have, now using this vector triple product method, we have to solve this given equation. Here 2a vector plus b vector written as it is. Now using in this vector triple product method, here we have to get a vector, this a vector dot product with this a vector minus 2b vector. We have to get here a vector dot, this value is a vector minus 2b vector. Here we have this b vector. Now minus, we have to get here this a vector dot with this, we know that here this a vector dot with this b vector. We have to get this b vector dot, we have to left here this a vector minus 2b vector. We can open this equation as to using vector triple product method here. Now we have to solve this equation. Here we have to get this 2a vector plus b vector as it is. We have to multiply this a vector inside. We have to get here this value a vector dot a vector minus 2a vector dot b vector. Here outside we have dot b vector minus, now here we have to get multiply this a vector dot b vector with this. We have to get here this value is equal to, here we have to get a vector dot, we have to multiply this dot a vector, we have to get a vector dot b vector dot a vector. From here we have to get this minus minus plus here. Now we have to get 2 into a vector dot b vector dot b vector. Now we have to solve this equation. We have to get here this 2a vector plus b vector written as it is. Now we have to multiply this b vector inside. We know that a vector dot a vector is equal to, here the value is equal to, we know that a vector magnitude square dot b vector. Here we have to get minus 2a vector dot b vector. Here we have this dot b vector. Now here we have to get this a vector dot b vector dot a vector. Here we have to get a vector dot b vector dot a vector. Now from here we have to get this value, we can written here b vector dot b vector. Here we have to get a vector, this b vector dot b vector is equal to magnitude b vector square here. Now from here we have to get this value is equal to, here we have to solve this value 2a vector plus b vector. Here we know that first we have to find here the value of magnitude a vector and magnitude b vector. Here also we have to find a vector dot b vector value. We have to given here in the question value of a vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap divided by under root 5. Value of b vector is given in the question is 2 cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. In denominator we have to given under root 14. Now we have to find here the value of a vector dot b vector. We know that for dot product we have I cap minus 2j cap divided by under root 5. Here this dot product, here we have to get 2 cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. In denominator we have under root 14. In dot product we know that I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap. This value is equal to 1 here, and I cap dot j cap is equal to j cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot I cap is equal to 0 here. Now using this identity we have to solve this a vector dot b vector. We have to get here this I cap into this 2 cap. We have to get here this 2 value. Here we have to get the value minus 2j cap plus j cap. We have to get here the value is equal to minus 2, and here we have to get in denominator under root 5 into under root 14. Now we know that 2 minus 2 we have to get a vector dot b vector is equal to 0 here. Now we have to find value of a vector magnitude. Now we have to put here magnitude. Value of a vector is I cap minus 2j cap divided by under root 5. Here we have to solve this magnitude. We know that for magnitude we have under root 1 square plus 2 square means 4 here. In denominator we have under root 5. Solving this we have to get under root 5 divided by under root 5. This under root 5 is cancelled out by this under root 5. We have to get magnitude of a vector is equal to 1. If we have square this magnitude, we have to get this value is also equal to 1. Now we have to find magnitude of b vector is equal to, here we have to get the value of b vector is equal to 2 cap plus j cap plus 3k cap in divided by we have under root 14. Now solving this magnitude value we have to get under root, here we have 2 square means 4 plus 1 square means 1 plus 3 square means 9. In denominator we have to get under root 14. On solving this we have to get under root 14 divided by under root 14. From here this under root 14 is cancelled out by under root 14. We have to get 1. Now the value of magnitude a vector is equal to magnitude b vector is equal to 1 here. Now we have to solve this equation. Here we have to put the value of a vector magnitude whole square, a vector dot b vector, and also put the value of magnitude b vector whole square. Now we have to get here the value is equal to 2a vector plus b vector. Here we have to get dot product with we have to putting the value here, so we have to get here this b vector minus this value is equal to 0. Also here this equal to 0. We have to get here the value of magnitude b vector square is equal to 1. We have to get plus 2a vector. Now we have to get here 2a vector plus b vector dot product with we have to get this value is equal to 2a vector plus b vector. Now from here we have to get 2a vector plus b vector whole square. Now we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now using this identity we have to solve this equation. Here we have to get 4a vector magnitude square plus magnitude b vector whole square plus 2 into a vector. Here we have to get dot b vector. Now we have to get here also this 2 in multiply. We have to get here this 2 in multiply here. Now we know that this value is equal to 1. This value is equal to 1. We have to get here 4 plus 1. A vector dot b vector value is equal to 0. We have to find in above. Now here we have to get plus 0. This value is equal to 5 here. This is the answer here 5. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।